interesting experience with a company that was working and developing the product in the quite traditional industry. We went through, all the, let's say, necessary steps to find out what the digital business model would be for them, talking about the potential customers. And this customer discovery process, since as often happens, the company thought that they have everything figured out, but when we got deeper into the, let's say, the pains and gains of the customers, the discussion got really interesting. The feedback was interesting, the outcome was interesting. Company got really good insights for the next steps.
I guess it was interesting because you put us on the other side of the, let's say, the table. So instead of you always think you know everything about your product, you know the pains of the customers, but then you see that your segment could still be segmented like to 3 or 4 subgroups. What got us thinking, and especially me from my personal perspective, is to do some tests which can be done very easily with the digital tools. Instead of just smashing out to the market like the workshop, especially the second half.